You're late, dude. Today, my friend and YouTube cooking star, Binging with Babish, is here in my restaurant to see if he can survive a shift working on the line.
Probably the hardest thing would be, maintaining focus on each ticket.
We're gonna put him through 2 challenges. First, prep station, preparing the mise. Stop. You got meat on your board.
It's going to be interesting to see him in restaurant mode.
2 more burgers.
Everything is so much faster mid-service. It's going to be interesting to see him having to multitask and respond to calls on the line.
Second, burger station, where the stakes get higher. Order up, first one's down.
Then Babish, I don't know who it is, but he better get his mind right before jumping behind the line. Oh!
Can the internet cooking star handle the heat? Let's find out. Bro, I'm excited about today's experiment.
Dude, thanks for having me. This is gonna be fun.
I know that you're usually cooking in a controlled environment, mostly your house.
By myself.
By yourself.
Where nobody sees my mistakes.
Yeah, today you're in my world. You're in my kitchen. You're at the usual.
Yeah.
We kind of have some certain expectations, rules. Line cooks are like the backbone of the restaurant. I've been to war with these guys. We're a band of brothers and we're here every day in the trenches.
I'm here for it, man.
What are you expecting?
I'm expecting to fuck up a lot.
Have you done this before?
I plated desserts back in like 2009 as a part-time job in Brooklyn.
Right.
For like 3 months.
Right.
And I waited tables back in high school. A lot of people, when they email me or when they meet me on the street or whatever, they say, thanks, chef, or good job, chef. And I'm like, I didn't earn that title. I've never worked in a restaurant.
Today's the day.
I think this is something that anybody who's interested in cooking is really curious about. Like, could I make it in a kitchen, in a professional kitchen?
This is gonna be so fun, man.
I don't know. It's good.
But again, very serious.
Yep.
I want you to concentrate. I want you to kick ass, and I want you to first and foremost know that you're my friend. But today, you're the F&G.
F&G, the fun, nasty grape leaf.
No.
No.
Guys, what's F&G?
Fucking new guy.
You're the fucking new guy, and it's never fun to be the fucking new guy. Are you ready?
No. Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, chef.
Yes, chef.
So I'm not throwing you on the hotline quite yet. This is the most underrated part. This is mise en place. You familiar?
Place for everything.
And without having mise en place, every line cook will fail. So the scenario is, our purveyors are late, we just got the shipment, there's 15 minutes before service, you have 10 minutes to patty out 4-ounce patties, grate tomatoes, because that's the way I do it, and slice onions. Are you ready for this?
Yes, chef.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, shit! You guys are assholes.
10 minutes, I got my timer right here. Let's go. Yeah, they need to be 4 ounces.
Good.
You're fine,
I just want to get the first one just right so I can visually match it.
Just like that.
Okay.
Keep going, keep going. Let's just say that this cost me $10 a pound. You're off by 5 grams, and each gram is about, I don't know, 10 cents. If you're messing up on 100 patties, you're costing me $10 a day.
Yeah.
That's $3,650 thrown away every year if you don't measure these things right.
I'm not gonna cost you a dime.
That's what I'm talking about.
All right, onions.
Stop. You got meat on your board. Let's clean that off.
Whoops.
I like to work like I'm a factory machine, right? So instead of pulling each onion one by one and then peeling them,
Oh, that's an idea.
get 4 onions, peel all 4 of them, and then just mow them down.
That's an idea.
Mise en place.
Mise en place. I'm gonna get a tattoo of that. Actually, that's a pretty good tattoo.
Let's do it together.
Was it? There's a shop right around the corner. I get all my work done.
Focus.
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 Don't cut yourself on camera.
There's a minute 52 seconds left, and I need all of these tomatoes ready to go. Flat hand that bad boy. I don't want your knuckles bleeding. Hurry, leave it. We'll clean it after. 15 seconds.
gonna be 2 tomatoes shy.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Shit, I'm sorry, man.
I should pick up one of your balls and it should weigh exactly 4 ounces.
You can trust my balls. Oh! Boom! Oh! Woo!
Good
Yeah! First the walk-in and now this. What's next? Oh, you sons of bitches. Sorry. Wow, I've had a lot of caffeine today.
One piece of advice I would give him is to focus as much as possible. And yes, chef, no chef.
I'm definitely a fan of Babish. His basic series basically taught me how to cook.
It's the first time that I hear
Hear what?
the benzene Babish.
Here we are, the hotline.
The Thunderdome.
This is the burger station. I'm gonna show you how to do griddled cheese, griddled burger. It's super simple, and then we'll increase it from there. You
I'm
ready?
excited. Yeah.
Let's do it. So obviously, bun down first. Shredded sharp cheddar.
Hell
I like
yeah.
to season it just a little.
Ooh.
This guy, smash them, salt.
Okay.
Then you grab the burger and you're dragging it on top of the melted cheese like that. Mind you, that side's already cooked.
Yeah.
So we're gold. Woo. Huh?
My God,
What do you
this is
think?
gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Special.
Special sauce, a little bit of onion, pickles. That should be done,
That is a thing of beauty, dude.
right?
Wow.
Out the door. You got the lesson?
Got it.
Level up,
Memorized.
order in, special smash burger.
Do it. I've been cutting the tops really short because it looks like you like to have a big foundation on there.
Yeah, good ratios. You know, that's what it's about.
Cool. I got to get my butter game on point. All right. So these go down.
You're already at peak form, looks like.
Let's see if I can do this.
All right, here we go. There's a challenge.
Press and slide.
Oh, you can feel it. There you go.
Salt, pepper, and then straight over here. Whoa. Straight over here. I
Full of
need.
cheese.
Yeah, that's right. Here we go. I'm sure everybody's getting some
Perfect.
love. Are you this encouraging to new employees?
I am.
All right.
I promise you.
All right. I think it's time.
All right, push it off.
Oh, stay together. Come on.
Oh, perfect. You
Come
got
on.
it.
There we go.
All right, that's gonna go right on. Nope. Yeah. No. Oh, you did it wrong.
Oh, that was the stupidest thing. All right. I'm doing it again. Here we
Do it
go.
over, do it
That was
over.
good practice.
Man, you started off with gusto. What happened?
That was silly. This guy.
That guy.
I had such a good
Perfect.
smash before. Please. Salt. Pepper, pepper, pepper. Queso
Boom.
fundido.
All right, I'm gonna step it up one more time. All right. All right. Get 2 more buns. Let's cut it. 2 more burgers are ordered in.
All right. 2 burgers. Yes, chef. Yes, sir. Yes, father.
You know, for all those times your fans call you Chef Babish.
Yeah, I gotta earn it.
You know, this is where you earn your stripes, my friend. Gordon did it. I did it. Emerald.
Emerald did it.
Bobby Flay.
There we go.
Bam.
That's and
Perfect.
then. Okay, here we go. Come on.
Oh, my boys got it.
2 more. Yes, chef.
Boom. I'm turning you into the most chingonest of the chingon. Chingon means you're a badass. Cabron
Means you're a loser.
means you're a loser and your wife is cheating on you.
Oh,
Bam, bam. All right.
sauce. Let this guy rest. How about that?
There you go. Now you're thinking like
Rest
a line
up.
cook. Beautiful.
And now we're grabbing our cheese. Move these guys
Oh
down.
man, you're killing it right now, bro.
Decided to stop fucking around. That's something everybody has to do at some point in their lives. All right. Okay.
Pickles.
Onions, picks.
Yep.
Uh-oh. Lost one. All right.
Plate her up. Push her up.
Shouldn't lick my fingers on the line.
Wipe that bad boy. It's ready to go.
right.
Hit the bell.
Yeah.
Order up. First
All right.
one's down. All right, let's finish the second
Let's
one.
finish these guys up. Okay, this guy's a little loosey-goosey here. Okay. Came apart a little bit.
Beautiful, beautiful.
fix it, we'll
You're
fix
fine.
it.
Yeah, dude. This is your killer instinct right now. Your focus. You're hitting all cylinders.
All right, thank you.
Beautiful. There, now you just go all the way through. Perfect.
Okay, well, down we go. You're getting a rest.
There you go.
Oh,
Oh,
fucking A.
you lost it in the stove.
Did anybody get that?
Oh, you lost it in the stove. The GoPro got that for sure. Let's focus. Follow it.
There we go.
You have to smash down, my friend.
Dollop, dollop.
The cheese is just about perfect.
2. There you go.
Glorious.
2. Just let.
Your focus.
There we go. That one's a
That looks gorgeous.
little better. Lift off for me. There you go. Dad.
Finesse. There you go. Let it chill.
Thanks, Dad. Wow, it's crazy how your brain gets scrambled when
Oh yeah, man.
got this stuff
Imagine
going.
you have to cook a steak at the same time.
I don't even want to. I don't want to think about it.
Burger 1, burger 2,
Top them up,
push them out.
and one acceptable burger. Another one that hopefully they don't notice. Oh,
Boom. Good job, man.
all right.
You made it through the mock simulation. You did great. And it's
Thanks.
tradition in my kitchen at the end of each service that, I got the FNG,
Oh, do I get to keep this?
a cup of water,
Oh
and I
yeah,
think you did a great job. Look, how great was that?
that was a lot of fun.
Dude, you sure you haven't done this before?
Don't be nice. I killed as many burgers as I made.
Probably the best looking burger you threw in between the stove. It's fine. It's okay.
Yeah,
It happens
yeah.
to the best of us. This is what happens in real life. Everyone thinks it's easy, right? Food just comes out of a window.
Only a moron thinks that this is easy.
You showed your chops.
Thank you.
You did a great job, and I'm glad that I was the first person you did that with.
That was a lot of fun.
Awesome, man. I'm glad to have you clean this shit up.
Yes, chef.
I give him a lot of props for even stepping behind the line and dealing with that kind of fire.
I think Babish did pretty good for a rookie.
Fucking new guy.
What's up, Burger Fam? It's Alvin Cailan from The Burger Show. Thank you for your continual support. Make sure you hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, if not for me, for the burgers. Please and thank you.